Today we're going to a short trip and we're gonna see 3 waterfalls in one video. We're gonna start at Waterfall Sopota. I actually didn't record that much, so here are some photos instead. We started walking through the forest, and since it's spring, everything was green, very nice. I also wanted to show you these wooden steps, they were very nice. And then we came to the waterfall. Oh my god! It's so gorgeous! I also brought my camera to record underwater footage, and it turned out very nice, as you can see. And there's gonna be more of these underwater videos later. Found this big wall of moss. After some walking, waterfall number 2. Time to eat pizza with salmon. And we're already at the 3rd one. This is called Virje, and this one was the most beautiful one. To record these underwater shots, I put my entire arm in the water, and I have to say this one was like ice, but still we saw someone jump in it.